Hello everyone, welcome back to the lesson. Today we will discuss this question on your screen, that is, he is saving dimes, quarters and dollars going to buy a new DVD. So he has $13 so far. Now see that this is the condition with 5 times as many dollars and 3 more quarter than dollar. So we have this condition. From this condition, what we have to find? We have to find each type of coin he have. So let's suppose that let I say that let he has x number of dollars. Let he has total x dollars. Okay, so total x dollars. From the condition, from the above condition, I can say that total number of dimes. Okay, total number of dimes, total dimes is equal to 5x. This is the condition. See, it says that with 5 times as many dimes as dollars. So x is dollars, and when I multiply with 5, so this condition satisfies. Now the second condition, which is for quarter, so I can say total quarters is equal to x plus 3. See that this condition, 3 more quarters than dollars. So it means that whenever I add 3 to my dollars, then I will get total quarters. Now understand two things here. First thing is that 10 dimes is equal to $1. So from here I can say that 1 dime is equal to 1 divided by $10. So that is $0.1. Okay, now total quarters. So 4 quarters is equal to $1. Okay, 4 quarters is equal to $1. So 1 quarter is equal to 1 over $4. 1 over $4, that is $0.25. Okay, that is $0.25. Now from these conditions, I have to set an equation, and then I have to solve the equation to find the number of coins, each number of coins. So I can say that, so we use above information. So we use above information to set an equation or to make an equation. And what is the equation? To make an equation, and the equation is simple. The equation is x, that is my number of dollars, plus 0.1, that is my 1 dime. Okay, and multiply by 5x, that is the total number of dimes as given in the question, plus 0.25 quarter. Okay, and total number of quarters are x plus 3. This is equal to, what are the total number of coins? Total number of coins from the question is, he has collected so far $13. So I can say that this is equal to 13. So all set, we have set an equation. From here we will find the value of x plus 0.5x plus, so you have to simple multiply 0.1 with 5, 0.25 with x, and 0.25 with 3. So this will give me 0.25x plus, that is 0.75 is equal to 13. So subtract 0.75 from both sides, because this 0.75 is the only constant here on the left hand side. So subtracting this will give me x plus 0.5x plus 0.25x is equal to 13 minus 0.75. Now you have to add all these x, this x, this x. So adding these 1.75x is equal to this is 13 minus 0.75, and that is 12.25. So simple. Now to find the value of x, divide, sorry, this is my x, this is my x. So to find the value of x, simple divide 1.75 on both hand side. So divide 1.75 on both side, and this will give you x is equal to 12.25 divided by 1.75. And when you divide 12.25 with 1.75, you will get x, that is 7. So from here x is 7. So x means my dollars, okay, dollars coin, okay, x is dollars. So x is equal to 7. So from this I can find the value of quarters as well and dimes as well. So from this I can say that total number of times, total dimes, as we have said earlier, that is equal to 5x. So I have to simply you have to put the value of x. What is my x? X is 7. So 5 into 7, this is equal to 35. Now total number of quarters, total quarters is equal to x plus 3. Put the value of x here. X is simply your 7. 7 plus 3, that will give you 10. So from this we have find the number of dimes, quarters and dollars, okay. So this is it. This is how you can solve such word problem. Thank you for watching this lesson.